To use the deck and patio fly trap stick, first pull out the glue guards from the center of the trap. Next, use the tear strip to open the trap and expose the glue. Remove the twist tie from the glue guards and save it to hang the trap. Start applying the glue guards by tucking one end under the plastic cap until it snaps in place. Then connect the other end to the bottom cap. Attach the glue guards to all 6 sides of the trap stick. Then thread the included twist tie through the loops on the cap. Hang near fly activity.